Have you ever thought that old tires could be worth a fortune? In this video, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin and uncovering the surprising truth about old tires and their potential value. From recycling and upcycling to unexpected uses, we're exploring the possibilities of turning trash into treasure. Join us as we investigate the connection between old tires and Bitcoin, and find out if it's possible to strike it rich with these discarded items. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, an environmentalist, or just curious about the potential of everyday items, this video is for you. So, are old tires worth big money? Watch to find out. Bitcoin revolution has caught the attention of many, but an unexpected player is making waves in the world of cryptocurrency, old tires. Yes, it might sound strange, but some people believe that turning these used rubber materials into something valuable could be the next big opportunity. While Bitcoin offers a digital revolution, could old tires hold hidden worth too? Some entrepreneurs are exploring ways to recycle and repurpose them for profit, tapping into eco-friendly innovations that could align with the crypto mindset. With sustainability becoming more important, there's growing potential to transform what was once seen as waste into a marketable asset. While the connection between Bitcoin and old tires may not be obvious, the emerging trend of utilizing unconventional resources to build wealth is undeniably intriguing. Join me as I dive into the world of old tires to see if I can turn them into some serious cash with Bitcoin. Did you know that in the right market, old tires can sell for as much as $100 each? That's right, what many people consider waste can actually be a valuable resource. With the growing demand for eco-friendly products and sustainable solutions, entrepreneurs are finding innovative ways to repurpose old tires, turning them into profitable assets. From creating durable materials to powering green energy solutions, the potential for profit in the tire recycling industry is expanding. This surprising twist could be the next big thing, and it's catching the attention of those looking for creative ways to build wealth. Bitcoin has revolutionized the financial landscape, turning a digital currency once considered niche into a global powerhouse with incredible value. Just as Bitcoin emerged from the shadows to become a major financial asset, old tires, often seen as waste, can also hold hidden value in the right circumstances. What seems like an unremarkable, discarded item could be the key to a profitable venture, just like Bitcoin was once dismissed before it became a game changer in the world of digital currency. The surprising value of old tires is a perfect metaphor for those hidden opportunities in life that, when recognized and tapped into, can unlock substantial rewards. Both Bitcoin and old tires remind us that sometimes, the greatest treasures are the ones we least expect. Most people see old tires as worthless, just a pile of rubber waste cluttering up landfills. Similarly, when Bitcoin first emerged, many dismissed it as a fleeting trend or a speculative gamble with no real value. For years, both old tires and Bitcoin were largely overlooked, with little attention given to their potential. The common perception was that tires were simply discarded, and Bitcoin was just another internet experiment. But just like the tire industry found innovative ways to repurpose old tires for profit, Bitcoin slowly proved itself as a legitimate store of value and an alternative investment. This shift in perspective mirrors how people's views on discarded items and emerging technologies can change over time, showing that what was once seen as worthless can, in the right hands, turn into something far more valuable. The market for old tires has evolved far beyond simply discarding them, with numerous ways to repurpose or sell them for profit. Tires are being transformed into everything from playground surfaces to rubberized asphalt, helping create durable and sustainable infrastructure. Some businesses even specialize in turning old tires into products like furniture, mats, or even fashion items like shoes. In certain markets, especially in areas with a high demand for eco-friendly products, these repurposed materials can be sold for a premium, demonstrating how something once seen as waste can be a valuable resource. Similarly, Bitcoin, once viewed as an experimental digital currency, has found its own set of diverse uses. Beyond being a store of value, Bitcoin is increasingly being used for remittances, microtransactions, and as a hedge against inflation. It's also gaining acceptance as a form of payment by businesses worldwide, further solidifying its role as a revolutionary financial tool. Just as old tires have found a second life in various industries, Bitcoin's use cases are growing, unlocking new opportunities for both investors and users. Both old tires and Bitcoin share a common thread. They started off as undervalued or misunderstood, but with innovation and vision, they have evolved into something much more significant. Whether you're looking to profit from sustainable tire recycling or from the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency, the potential for value in both is clear. Imagine the story of John, a former mechanic who saw a mountain of old tires gathering dust in his workshop, and decided to look at them through a different lens. Instead of sending them to the landfill, he saw potential. After researching the tire recycling industry, he learned that old tires could be repurposed into a wide range of products, from playground surfaces to energy-efficient fuel. John started a small tire recycling business, breaking down the tires and selling the raw material to manufacturers, while also creating innovative products like rubberized flooring. Within a few years, his small venture turned into a profitable company, not just from the sale of recycled materials but also from partnerships with eco-conscious brands and municipalities looking for sustainable solutions. John's story is a perfect parallel to the journey of Bitcoin. In its early days, Bitcoin was dismissed by many as a speculative asset with no real-world use. But just like John found hidden value in old tires, those who took the time to understand Bitcoin's potential as a digital currency found opportunities to profit. Over the years, Bitcoin's value skyrocketed, not just as a store of wealth, but as a disruptive force in the financial world. John's success with old tires highlights how overlooked resources can become profitable ventures with the right vision and innovation. Similarly, Bitcoin represents an opportunity for those who see beyond its volatility and embrace its potential for long-term profit and transformation in the financial space. Both stories serve as reminders that opportunities often lie in the most unexpected places, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look beyond the surface. The key insight is that value often lies in overlooked or underestimated items, whether it's old tires or Bitcoin. Both have historically been dismissed, old tires as waste and Bitcoin as a passing trend, but with the right perspective, they can be transformed into profitable ventures. Just as old tires can be repurposed into eco-friendly products or sold for recycling, Bitcoin, once seen as speculative, has grown into a legitimate financial asset with multiple use cases. Recognizing hidden potential in seemingly worthless items requires vision, creativity, and a willingness to see beyond initial impressions, offering opportunities for innovation and profit. What hidden opportunities have you discovered or overlooked in your own life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you've spotted value in unexpected places. If you're curious about more emerging trends, be sure to check out my next video on cryptocurrency trends and how you can leverage them for profit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.